Let's hear the following sound demonstrations recorded with real hearing aids.
G8 hearing aids feature the revolutionary multi-track processing with up to 5 independent audio tracks.
4 of the tracks specialize for conversation with multiple speakers at once,
and 1 track maintaining
Each track is processed separately to ensure the best balance, even when conversation partners move.
or new conversation partners join.
Following a conversation in a noisy situation is now easier with G8 technology. Multi-track processing delivers our best sound experience ever in challenging and demanding listening situations.